Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who spends a lot of time on their feet or struggles with dry, rough skin, this might just be the product you've been searching for. Today, we're talking about the Gehwol Fusskraft Blue Foot Cream, a product that claims to restore elasticity and provide much-needed care to dry skin. Let's break it down. First off, the Gehwol Fusskraft Blue Foot Cream is designed to target dry and rough skin on your feet. It comes in a 2.6 tube, which is a decent size for keeping in your bathroom or carrying along when traveling. The formula features a blend of Lanolin, Aloe Vera, and Urea, each of which has a specific purpose. Lanolin helps to lock in moisture, making it a key ingredient for keeping skin hydrated. Aloe Vera, known for its soothing and cooling properties, is great for calming irritated skin, while Urea is fantastic for breaking down hardened skin, providing deeper hydration. Now onto how it works. I tested this cream over the course of a week, applying it nightly to my feet after a long day. Right off the bat, the cream has a smooth, non-greasy texture that absorbed quickly into the skin. There's a faint, pleasant scent to it, not overpowering at all, which is great if you're sensitive to strong fragrances. The first thing I noticed after applying it was how soft my feet felt. By morning, the skin was visibly smoother, and the cracks around my heels began to show improvement. Using it consistently, I started to notice that the skin on my feet felt more elastic and hydrated. If you're dealing with calluses or rough patches, this cream could be your best friend. I noticed a subtle but noticeable difference in skin texture, and my feet felt more comfortable after being on them all day. It's not just a quick fix either. It works over time, making it ideal for those who need long-term relief from dry, cracked skin. When it comes to the pros, I'd say the formula is fantastic for deep hydration. It's not heavy, so it doesn't leave your feet feeling greasy, but it's rich enough to tackle even the driest skin. The cooling effect from the aloe vera is another plus. It gives a soothing sensation, especially after a long day. The packaging is also convenient, small enough to fit in your purse, so you can take it on the go if needed. On the flip side, it's not a miracle cure for extremely cracked heels right off the bat. If you're looking for something that works overnight, this isn't quite it. It does require some consistent use to see the best results, but that's true of most creams in this category. As for value for money, I think it's fairly priced for what it offers. For 2.6 ounce, you're paying for a highly effective, well-balanced cream that targets dryness and restores elasticity. Given the ingredients, Lanolin, aloe vera, and Urea, this product is definitely a solid contender in the foot cream market. If you're someone with chronic dry skin on your feet, this cream is a good option without breaking the bank. I'd say if you're used to other foot creams, this one might surprise you with its balance of hydration and light texture. There are similar creams on the market, but I find that Gehwol's Fusskraft Blue offers a good mix of practicality and performance, especially if you need something more long-term. In terms of build quality, the tube feels sturdy, and the product itself has a great texture. No chunkiness or grittiness here. You'll get smooth application each time. Is it worth the price? Yes, especially if you're looking for a product that will give you lasting hydration and softer feet without being overly greasy. This is not a flashy, high-end product with extravagant claims. It does what it promises, and it does it well. If you want something a bit more affordable, there are other options out there with similar ingredients. Some alternatives may offer similar results for a lower price, but they might not have the same level of refinement and subtle effectiveness. Overall, the Gehwol Fusskraft Blue Foot Cream delivers on its promise to provide much-needed care for dry, rough skin. It's not an instant miracle, but with consistent use, it makes a noticeable difference in the condition of your feet. If you're someone who's tired of rough patches or calluses, this product could be a worthwhile addition to your skincare routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.